What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. There's some big news that came out, and tomorrow I'm going to reveal to you my dividend income, but this is too big, and I had to bring this up because this is big news with Facebook or Meta stock. There's some news that came out, especially if you're a dividend investor. This is exciting. I'm going to explain to you why it is a buy, why it is not a buy. Remember, dividend growth always wins. So I'm not going to buy it, but this is very attractive for investors, especially if we want to earn passive income and go from there. So I have to bring this up that there's a lot of pros with the recent announcement. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this stock and news out right now. So Meta Platforms is sitting at $394.78. It has beaten the S&P in the past 5 years. Very attractive. I'm glad that it's in my SPLG and my Vanguard Total Stock Market for my 403B. The PE ratio is 35.56. The average volume is 15.90 million. The market cap is 1.01 trillion US dollars. That is a lot. Tier range is 167.66 to 406.36. Day range is 393.05 to 450. And its previous close was 390.14. So this is a very volatile stock. It's a really interesting company. They just seem to adapt and expand, and they're huge on social media. You'll see advertisement everywhere. They make a lot of money. So I'm going to go to its revenue trends real quick. So annually in millions US dollars, 2014, 12,466, 2015, 17,928, 2016, 27,638, 2017, 40,653, 2018, 55,838, 2019, 70,697, 2020, 85,965, 2021, 117,929, 2022, 116,609. So you're seeing the trends, and I'm going to go to 2023 as well. So here's some data that's really nice. First of all, with their earnings, $5.33 per share versus $4.96 per share. The revenue was $40.1 billion versus $39.18 billion. Daily active users is 2.11 billion versus 2.08 billion expected. The monthly active users is 3.07 billion versus 3.06 billion expected. Average revenue per user is $13.12 versus $12.81 expected, according to Street Account. So I'm going to go over a few more things. That was in the fourth quarter report. The other thing is Meta shares jumped better than expected results and first ever dividend payment. We're going to go over that. Investors are looking at signs of Meta's online advertising business continues its rebound from a brutal 2022. This is on CNBC by Jonathan Vayan. Sales in the fourth quarter jumped 25% year over year, while expenses decreased 8% year over year to $23.73 billion. I'm going to go over the dividend announcement. So again, with this dividend, Meta said it will pay investors a dividend of 50 cents per share on March 26. That comes after the cash and equivalents swelled $65.4 billion, and then the end of the year, the company also announced a $50 billion share buyback. So people are a little negative about these layoffs, but with AI and all this technology, he probably didn't need that amount of workers. So the dividend appears to be sustainable. That's very excited that they have a dividend now. This is going to attract dividend investors like myself. One thing I consider doing in the future is using some of my yield max funds, maybe individually buying FBY, using its income to buy shares of Meta. That's an idea that I may do, but right now I'm not buying. I'm just sitting back and seeing what's going on. That is very exciting for many investors, especially people who love earning passive income like myself. So I want to see what your thought process is with Meta declaring a dividend. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. Take care and have a good one. You're going to see how much I made. Now I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. This is my dividend investing journey. I do not own any shares of Facebook/Meta. So I'm just making you aware of that. Investing is a risk. You can gain a lot of money. You can lose a lot of money. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor or somebody certified to give financial advice. It is best to seek tax advice from somebody that is certified to give tax advice. I am just being straightforward with you. Those are the people that you need to see. This channel is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I do not own any shares of Meta. Most of the stocks that I mentioned in my videos, I plan on being long in unless something drastically happens. Take care and have a great Thursday.